Hello everyone, we are now here. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to import data from a folder, or how can we directly import a folder as a data into a Power BI desktop. To do so, just go to the home tab, and under this home tab go to this get data icon. Just click on this get data icon. Then you will see this navigator window here for titled as get data. You will be seeing that here there is an option of folder. You can select this option, or you can search from this search bar here as folder and select this name and click on connect button. You will see as a folder pop up here. There will be a browse button here. To click on this, we will be seeing the browse for folders pop up. You can just go to this and select the folder you are going to import. I have this regions folder here, so I am just selecting this regions folder and click on ok. Then again I have to click on ok here. It will be loading this pop-up again, and it will show me some kind of information about that folder. So what are the contents in it, name of the file, extension, data access, date modified, all these kind of attributes and metadata it will provide you. So now just you will see all these kind of things. You will be having some options over here: combine and transform data, combine and load option, load button, transform data button, and cancel. So here I will be just if you want to transform the data, you can go to transform data, or else you can go to combine option. Here I am going to transform data option to see how my data will look like, right? Once clicking on transform data, it will open up the Power Query editor window. As you will observe that this Power Query window will be a separate window from this Power BI desktop. You will see, like, you will be able to transform all the data from this Power Query editor window. Now, like, if you see here, you will be seeing some kind of parameters over here. So if you go to this parameter, you will see the current value is sample file, and this sample file is there. Transformation file will also be there, transform sample data will also be there, right? So all this data will be there, and you will see regions over here, and in this regions you will see, like, you will click on this content option here, the combined files. Then it will open up a window here again. Once you click on it, right, you will see here it is an option of first file. Then here each file has this actual data table inside it, right? If you see first file here, advanced economic file here, then all of these files will have, like, some actual data into it. Actual data table will be there inside it, right? So you will have to click on ok on it. Okay, it will evaluate your table or the query, as we call the table as query here. So it will show you up the table, combined table here, with all the three files in the folder as the single table, right? So you will see some columns here. Here it is like column names. Here it is source or source name or the file name. You will see all the three file names here. So we have the data from all these files. We can have some transformations here, like we can remove this column and all other transformations that have been required. So once your transformations are done, then you can go to close and apply option, and again click on close and apply. So that will load this combined data to your Power BI desktop. Now you will see a single table as regions, which contains all the data from that particular folder. So this region table combines all the data from all those three files that are included into that folder. अगर हम हिंदी में इस बात को बोलें तो इस रीजन टेबल के रीजन फोल्डर के अंदर जो हमारे तीन फाइल्स थे उन तीनों फाइल्स को पावर बीआई ने कंबाइन करके एक टेबल बना के हमें डेटा दे दिया. सो वी हैव दिस सिंगल टेबल ओवर हियर एज रीजन्स. इफ यू गो टू दिस टेबल व्यू और इस टेबल व्यू में आपको उन तीनों फाइल्स का डेटा कंबाइन होकर दिख जाएगा.